Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 9 of season 2 of building a search engine, and today we'll continue building a search engine for just one subreddit called R-Learn Programming. So today probably we'll work on some performance issues, and maybe I will also do some stop word elimination. So first of all I'm going to open the chat. So as usual, I will keep it on the side. So yeah, let's go. So actually, one interesting thing is that I sort of fucked up, and somehow I managed to show my password on screen using this program called Keycaster. I typically use it to show how I use Vim. So it basically shows whatever you type. And thanks to Andy for pointing this out. So now I know this, and I need to set up a new VPS because the first one may be compromised. I don't think it is compromised, but just in case, I'm going to set up a new VPS because, well, better safe than sorry. Thanks, Andy. Okay, so I'm going to disable it, okay. Okay, by the way, I'm going to type this. So, yeah. I guess I'm going to start with setting up a new VPS. Okay, I'm going to quit it. Okay. I guess I need to pay some stuff to do. I guess I owe some money to DigitalOcean. I hope they will let me create another droplet. Okay, so let's go here and check it. Yeah, so status off. Damn it, my account is currently on hold and is not allowed to create new droplets. Okay, I guess I need to pay some monies. Apps and API. I don't think I need to go here. Billing. Okay. Earn credits by. I guess I will pay $10. Okay, I don't think there is a lot of sensitive information, but I'm going to disable screencasting just in case. So I'm back. I made a payment. I've just made a payment. I think it might take a while to. Yeah. Okay. So here's it. So now I have $4. Let's create a new droplet. Name your droplet. Okay. Searching Reddit 2. So okay, and it's going to be a small VPS again. I'm going to. Actually, I'm going to set it in Amsterdam because it's closer to Russia than New York. And when I'm working over SSH, it's kind of annoying when there is lag. Okay, I'm going to use Ubuntu and yeah. So okay, let me double check it. Private networking, IPv6, enable user data. I think that's enough. Okay, let's create it. And by the way, I think they're going to mail me a password. So I need to change the password. So I'm going to disable screencasting. Okay, I'm back. So I've just changed the password on my new VPS. So So yeah, so let's set it up. Let's go to GitHub. Let's clone the repository. So basically, I'm going to set up a new VPS. Set up a daemon. By the way, I'm not going to set it under root. I guess I need a new user. Let's call it search engine, or SE for the sake of shortness. And let's add it to sudo file. Oops. And let's log as this new user. Okay, now, there is a tmux, and I guess I need to copy my configs. Yeah. So let's copy tmux.conf to search engine. Yeah. I guess let's copy vimrc. I guess let's copy vim directory. Yeah. Okay, bunch of plugins. So let's wait. Yeah, now let's go here. Let's test if tmux works. Okay, I think my new config file is here. Oops. Oh, hi. I wasn't able to set it because I'm on Mac OS X. Actually, I planned to set it not just as my terminal cursor, but I wanted to set it as my normal mouse cursor, and it turns out that Mac OS X has very poor support for custom cursors. As for terminal, I'm not sure. Is it possible to change it in iTorm? I'm not sure. Let's check it. I guess maybe it's possible. Let's see. Oh. Arrangement, profiles, appearance. Smart cursor color, text. I don't think it's possible in iTerm. Damn it. Yeah, it's possible to change the color of the cursor, um, but not its shape. I wish I could set it. I wish I could use an uncat as a cursor, but sadly, it's not possible in a term. So I'm setting a new VPS because my previous VPS. I showed everyone the password of my previous VPS, and a kind viewer emailed me about it. So, and he said that, well, I fucked up. So thank you, Andy, by the way. Thanks again. So now I have to set a new VPS because I'm afraid the old one got compromised. I don't think it was compromised. If I had to bet, I would say that 99%, I'm 99% sure it wasn't compromised, because I think my viewers aren't, evil guys. But just in case, I'm setting a new one. And I'm almost finished this process. I think now I need to install, maybe build essential. Oops, install build essential. Of course I need root. And I need to clone apt-get update. So I guess it's pretty boring to watch me setting a new VPS, but I guess I have to do this. Okay. Again, I need root. So I need to install pip, and I need to install virtual and or should I pronounce it as virtual env? I think it's virtual env. Damn it. I think I was pronouncing it as virtual env all the time, but I think it's wrong. I guess it's virtual env. So I guess I need to install all the packages. Let's see if it's this is weird. Oh. Permission denied. Oh, this is because I forgot to do source ban activate. I forgot to activate the virtual environment. Yeah. Now it's working. Okay, now I need to copy indexes, right? Yeah, I guess I need to copy them. What's the IP address? Okay, I guess I can simply do this. Subreddit, so Reddit, and yes. So I'm going to copy indexes and set and run the web interface so you can play with it. I think there are some performance issues, but they aren't as big as they were a few episodes ago. I fixed the most important ones. And by the way, thank you to Andy. Now I know that there is a bug in my code that computes BM25. I don't actually remember. Oh, okay, here is it. So, yeah. So, thank you for doing a code review for me. That's true that there is a bug in this code and that it should be total word count plus equals length text. That's true. Unfortunately, I didn't notice it. And thank you, Andy, for pointing this out. So I'm going to fix it. To fix it, I need to go to indexer.py. Oh, damn it, and I need to install Powerline. Powerline is a nice status line for Vim. Damn it, I need root. So for Powerline is this nice status line. Well, it's pretty cool. I like this plugin. So I need to fix bug in my BM25. My BM25 implementation. So it should be here. And I'm going to commit it. What the hell? Why can't I commit? Let's test it here. Please just tell me who you are. Okay, I can do this. User name. Okay, I guess I almost completed this boring part. actually, oh, I hate it. I mean, I hate this editor. It's called Nano, but I hate it. I love Vim. So let's make a commit. Total word count that's 725 compilation. So I have indexes here. I guess I could try launching a demo. Let's see. It didn't work for some reason. I guess I need to somehow set an environment variable, and I guess I'm going to do the most simple thing. I don't think there is a mouse cursor on screen. So actually, let me check. I don't think this issue is fixed. Oh, 8 people is watching. Hi, 8 people. So I'm doing pretty boring stuff right now. I'm setting up a new VPS because the previous one got well. I think it wasn't compromised, but I showed. I showed my password to everyone who was watching a stream, and I had to change it. Actually, I didn't notice it right away, and a viewer pointed it out in an email message. Thank you, Andy. Thank you again. So now I'm setting up a new VPS because I'm afraid the previous one was compromised. I'm pretty sure it wasn't, but better safe than sorry. And yeah, there is no mouse cursor, but I set this weird green circle. Yeah. Damn it. So there is no cursor. By the way, let me know if you prefer this green something to no cursor at all. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of annoying, but at the same time, I think maybe it's better than no cursor at all. For some reason, OBS doesn't show mouse cursor while on stream. So yeah, I guess I will have it on for a while. If you are annoyed, let me know in the chat. Actually, I myself, I am annoyed, so I'm afraid that I will have to disable it because it's kind of getting annoying for me. So, damn it. Okay, I'm already hating it. I hate it already. Stop. Yeah. Okay, stop it. Okay, so I'm going to, I hate it. Unfortunately, there will be no cursor on screen, but I will show this red circle when I click. So yeah, let's go. Let's launch a demo. Doesn't. Okay, what the hell? Oh, I need to source when being activated. I need to activate virtual and maybe no, damn it. Maybe this is a problem. Let's wait. It's just starting up. If it works now, damn it. And if my bug fix is actually wrong, it's not len text, it's actually I don't know. It has type document. I have this foregrounded by. Okay, it's called parse text. Guess I need to commit it. And it might take a while to start up. Yeah, it might take a couple of minutes. Okay, and I think maybe it works now. I don't know. Why is it taking so much time to get a simple web page? Okay, let's try this. Connection refused. Okay, what if I do? Okay, let's first of all let's see if every port is open. Yeah. This is weird. I mean, it should work because it should at least show something like this. It should show an HTTP request here, but I don't see any HTTP requests here for some reason. Okay. Oh, damn it. It starts not with 1. It's actually 178 and not just 78. So the first digit is 1. Yeah, and here I see a row of HTTP requests. And since Netcat is a very simple program that just prints everything that it receives from this port, I won't see anything in my browser. So, and by the way, it's super useful. Like Netcat is very, very useful for debugging such problems. So without Netcat, I could spend like 15 minutes trying to figure out what's wrong with the web server. But actually, I was typing the wrong IP address here. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. So today I'm going to continue working on the search engine, and my primary problem here. Actually, I think I have a plan here. I mean, I have sort of state of the project here, and so there is. So my goal for the season 2 is to completely index the whole subreddit and make it searchable, and it should be reasonably fast. And I think it's it's fast now, but I think it could be faster. So yeah, not fast enough. And my plan was to implement 2 ranking options by points and by BM25, and using BM25, which is a ranking function from 80s. It turns out that BM25 isn't a good choice for Reddit. I think it would be I think it would be a better. So it was developed in the 80s, and I think it's pretty good. Oh, hi. And I think so I think BM25 is pretty good for collections like a body of articles, like scientific articles, but it's not good for Reddit. I'm not going to explain why right now, but basically it's because it prioritizes so basically it prioritizes the documents that have words from query more frequently. Okay, I think it's loaded. Let's test it. Lookup error. Oh yeah, and I need to install this stuff. It's an LTK, which is Natural Language Toolkit. Actually, you know what? I'm going to finish this commit later. So you know what? I'm going to add this to readme.txt. So let's open GitHub and let's add Okay, I'm going to remove some stuff here, and I'm going to I needed to preview changes. So I need to install this in LTK stuff, which I'm going to do. Oops. Actually, not very. So it took me 3 commits to have this part right. What are you using NLTK for? What did I miss? I started using it in the first season. I don't think we missed anything. So NLTK is used for stemming, and if you don't know how stemming works, I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm using an LTK. I'm using pointer stemmer from an LTK, and stemmers do this. So it takes a word and it returns its stem. So it sort of chops everything, like not everything of course, but everything that isn't common between similar words. So for example, programming and programs have the same stem program. And for example, when someone searches, for example, Python programs, it would make sense to find, for example, documents that don't contain Python programs, but instead contain Python programming. But to do this, we need to match similar words. So I stem both the search query and the results. I stem both words and documents during the indexing process, and I stem query when I receive it from a user. So yeah, this is true. Okay, I guess I could launch the demo. And it might take a while for the search engine to start up. So now I need to work on performance issues during sorting process, and actually I'm going to do some stop word elimination here. Well, I need to do some stop word elimination during the indexing process, but I guess I could simply use something from an LTK. But for the most part, the search engine is complete. Although after the season 2, I'm going to try to beat Reddit search and Reddit built-in search engine. Okay. And I need to download these packages as root, because I'm launching it from I'm launching this search engine as root. And I guess I need to wait a couple of minutes. No, I changed the URL because I somehow managed to show my password to everyone using this magical program called Keycaster. So I had to change my VPS, I'm going to destroy my previous one once I'm sure that everything is working properly. But yeah, unfortunately, there is a new URL. Okay, let me restart it actually. Yeah, it kind of sucks. I had to reinstall everything, reconfigure everything. So, and now I'm not using this magical program called Keycaster. Okay, I'm not sure if it's working. So now it says, I guess it should work now, but it isn't working. Maybe I need to wait more. Line 14. There's this weird. Wonder how I should tackle this issue. It says that it's running on. Ah. I think I guess to wait. I think I need to wait until the second loaded message appears. So there is only the first one, but I guess I need to wait for the second one. I think it has to do. It has something to do with Flask Reloader, although I'm not entirely sure. But let's wait. Okay. Let's try Python. Okay. Yeah, I think it works. So I'm going to launch the demo as using the unicorn and on the port 80. So I spent like an hour just setting this VPS. and yeah, thank you to Andy for noticing this, bug. And there was bug when calculating total word count, and it affected BM25 calculation, but I don't think it mattered that much, although I'm going to check. Now let's see. I wonder what these messages mean. Wonder what, yeah. Yeah, thank you anyway. By the way, if you just, I thanked you like 3 times for noticing this. This, well, my fuck up with the password to the VPS. So I spent, so I didn't do much work today because I spent like an hour setting up the new VPS. And I don't think everything is working properly. I wonder what these messages mean. Like I never saw them. Never saw them before. I guess let's Google it. I did not match any documents. I guess I need to remove this. Yeah, you didn't set me off track. I think I set myself off track by using this program Keycaster. So you actually helped me realize my mistake. So thank you very much. So now I have no idea what this means, and I actually don't know how to debug this problem because I never use Genicorn much. I typically, when I'm debugging an issue, I just launch, using Flask built-in web server, and it looks like everything is working perfectly when I'm using Flask built-in web server. I wonder what should I do? Actually, the constructor is an LTK, possibly a different version of that. Hmm. Can this be an issue? I don't. Hmm. Thank you for the tip. I wonder if this can be an issue because uh, hmm. Different version. I don't know, maybe, but when I launched it using Flask Web Server, everything uh, is works fine. Although I need to wait for this to load. Yeah, so it's loaded, and yeah, so here is it. Uh, Here it is. It works just fine, but when I launch it using the unicorn, doesn't work. Bad request version HTTP 2. Someone is using HTTP 2. Someone. Yeah, okay. Hmm. So, first of all, I don't think, since I'm not using BM25 right now, I probably could speed up starting time. Okay, someone is using the weird HTTP version here. Uh, I guess I could simply comment this out because I'm not using PM25. And since I'm not using PM25, I don't need all this data. I think it will. I think it will start up faster. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, everything is working just fine without these lines. And this is because I'm not using PM25. Maybe it will fix the issue with unicorn. Let's see. I don't think it will, but maybe. Okay, I think the demo is up. So if you want to play with the search engine, you can use this URL. So you can use this URL, and I am going to So this probably means that so my guess is that it was starting up but slowly. So it wasn't working, but it was just starting up, and well, it wasn't working during uh, the initial startup phase. Maybe we should have waited a couple of minutes more. I don't know. So if you want to play with it, you can use this URL, but I'm going to find a slow query. So of course I need to do so as I mentioned, I need to do stop word elimination. Andy actually convinced me to do this. I don't think that stop words like or there or I don't know in matter that much while sourcing Reddit. But still, there is probably queries that take too much time. So this query took too much time. Yeah, it's almost a minute. Oh, sorry, it's almost a second. So I'm going to profile the code, and I don't have a lot of experience with profiling Python code. Yeah, this is actually I agree. This is a nice idea, but I probably will use an LTK since I'm already using it, and it has some support for detecting stop words. Although maybe there are some stop words that an LTK can detect, like I don't know. Oh yeah, that's actually a cool idea. Yeah, I think I need to highlight it. But it's going to be more complicated. So I guess I don't know. Maybe I will do stop word elimination. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Actually, yeah. I guess I don't have much experience with profiling Python code, but I guess I could simply do this and then I think I'm not going to kill. Okay, so I think I'm going to launch it. Install. Okay, let's call it my profile. I wonder how can I start profiling process at certain point? Okay, whatever. Now I need to request a bunch of stuff. Let's search Python. Let's search the world. Let's search Python uppercase. Yeah, it makes it lowercase, so it's the same as searching Python, but lowercase. Let's search plus plus. And then let's search something like, I don't know, 78. Wow, that's a weird document. I guess it's a piece of code, and the snippet is very, very strange. I wonder what. Oh, okay. Someone actually wrote a very strange code. Oh, okay, that's why it's super weird. What should I search actually? Maybe some. Like for loop. Sometimes snippets are super big, but this is because I find the window that contain most of the words, and I don't do any, any removing between them. So I hope I can kill it, and then I can use some niceness from C profile. Okay, import these stats. Okay. Okay, so here's the profiling stats. Looks like shell takes quite a bit of time to do get item. I can't really see why it is slow, but my suspicion is that get item takes most of the time. So so well, this is weird. I don't think it should say loaded after initially printing loaded. I don't know. On the other hand, oh really? Yeah, I actually suspected that uh, that using this shell might sort of slow this down, because I think the information may be organized a lot more efficiently uh, if you don't need read and write. So I hope this makes sense. But basically, I'm probably going to use Andy's advice. So I looked at Sparky, and well, I didn't spend much time reading about it, but I looked at it, and it looks like I might use it. So, but first of all, I'm going to verify that get item is slow, because if it is slow, I'm definitely going to switch to something else. Oh, okay. So get documents. Mm, minus T1. Okay, I don't need profiling now, so I'm just going to launch it as normal Python script. I initially thought about making this simple key value storage myself, but at the same time, so initially I thought I'm going to build it from scratch, but then I thought that it's not the most fun part of building search engine. So I decided that I'm going to use some simple key value storage that already exists. I don't think that they're all that complicated, and I want to focus on core issues, sort of. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's reasonably fast actually. It takes only 25% of time. Maybe search results constructor is slow. I don't know, maybe. Let's see. Oh, hi, Sherry. So now I'm figuring out why is it slow. So some queries take quite a bit of time to process. And I mean, a quarter of seconds isn't bad in my opinion, but some are really slow. Like if you add multiple words to a query, it's going to take 3 times longer, and something like Python, C++ programming. Okay, it takes half of a second. So yeah, 2/3 of a second. And in my opinion, that is slow. It could be faster. Yeah, caching. Yeah, definitely there are some caching here, but at the same time, yeah, you're right that I might not catch every issue, but it looks like even if I, try to request Python multiple times, it still takes a quarter of a second, so it doesn't become fast enough suddenly. And this means there is other issue, and I probably shouldn't worry about caching right now. Okay, so search results constructor takes a lot of time. Maybe it's just sorting. So I'm noob at profiling. When I was coding in C++, there was a really nice tool called Kcachegrind. I'm going to show you some screenshots. You could, like, it's pretty, oh damn, it's a small screenshot. Snippets code might be a bottleneck, that's true, but if I remember correctly, I don't get snippets for all the pages. I get them on demand. So if I request a page, and there are only 25 documents on that page, only 25 snippets are generated. Actually, my index contains the location information. So posting lists contain not only documents ID, but also positions. I don't utilize this information right now, but I thought it might be useful in the future. So, so in C++, there is this nice graphic tool called Kcachegrind, and you could click on these rectangles and see what functions are slow. I don't know if a tool like this exists for Python. So, well, oops. Okay, looks like sorting is oh damn it! I misread this. I don't think it was slow. It was like 200 of second, so it was fast. Crap. So getting posting list takes only Okay, let's test it one more time. Okay, so 0.02, which is good. Getting posting list is 0.05, which is good. I think. Oh no. Let's see if getting snippets is a slow process. Okay. Uh, really nice. There was a really nice request. So snippets code is slow. What happens if I do multi? Yeah, you were right. I was wrong. Maybe I could simply reduce page size. You know what? I could speed it up by reducing page size, I think. Oh, damn it. Doesn't help much. I think it should help for Python. Yeah, it helps for Python. But I guess I will keep my page size. Yeah, there are a lot of pages. I think I need to show. I think I need to find it. Okay. So the snippets code is slow. But at the same time, when I search for multiple words, getting some posting lists take a lot of time. Takes a lot of time. Programming looks like for programming it is especially slow. I guess I could try using Sparky, which was suggested by Andy. So thank you, Andy. You are right about snippets, and I think you are right about using write-only disk index. Uh, so wow, lots of code. How can I use it? Maybe I should. Spark app is a little weird. Unfortunately, you have to write out a log file, then close the log, and then create a hash file from the log file. Oh, okay. Could I use this? Hmm. So it looks like it has the same interface as DBM. Looks databases are the most suitable for my needs. I suspect it's, although I'm not sure. Wow, I really need to read on this, on how it is, on how it is organized inside. I mean, because I don't understand what all of this stuff means. I should use. Maybe I could look at the Kyoto cabinet. So install Tokyo cabinet on my laptop and try indexing the whole collection. Oops, tcdb. What do you mean, by the way? What do you mean by colored text? So I think I need to install Tokyo cabinet. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. Oh, okay. I wonder if you could do evil stuff using this. Okay, that's funny. Uh, that's nice. Now I get what you mean. Yeah, I think I agree. You probably can't do like really evil stuff, but yeah, because to do colors you just need um, to provide special symbols, special characters, and I don't think you can execute like arbitrary code, for example. Okay. And now there is a compilation error. 9 errors. User has declared and identified the debit token. Actually, maybe I installed an old version. Or what the hell? So there is no more Tokyo cabinet. Okay, by the way, do you know Kyoto cabinet? Actually, it's more powerful and convenient library than Tokyo cabinet. So, I guess I could use Kyoto cabinet. Uh, oh, maybe I can do reinstall. No. Yeah, I think I need source package. TR1 not found. Oh. I wonder why Clang doesn't support technical report 1. Hmm. So I'm having this weird issue. It turns out that if you don't know, so in, so in C++, there are standards. The most recent one is C++ 14. The previous one is C++ 11. Sorry, C++ 03. C++ 03. And between these standards, there was technical report, so-called technical report, that introduced certain things like unordered maps. Yeah, I'm right. So, but then C++ 11 was released, and C++ 11 included unordered map as part of std namespace. So it became a standard library, like completely standard, not just technical report. I guess I could simply fix this. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a good idea. I mean, maybe there are some differences between TR1, unordered map, and std, unordered map. Yeah, maybe I should do this. Maybe I should rewrite everything in Rust. So maybe I could simply remove this. Okay, this is weird. Can I do this? I'm not sure. Damn it. It failed to compile. Use of undeclared identifier char 16t. It looks like it's not easy to make it work on OS X. Wonder what should I do? Okay, I will be back in 2 minutes. Oh, hi. Hi again. I'm almost back. Looks like there is quite a bit of... Oh, cool. There is a mouse cursor now. At least on stream. Maybe it is fixed now. Let's see. Damn it. No cursor again. So I'm going to... How to mark a Python data structures true from binary. Right now I'm using a shell model that in turn uses cpickle. So I don't know. I hope that Python pickle is fast enough. Maybe I could also use struct. I don't know. Actually, yeah, I need to think about it. By the way, I need to do some stuff and I need to prepare something. So I think I'm not going to experiment with these nice libraries. Looks like both of these libraries have some issues on OS Blink. Looks like it doesn't blink, but it has some weird background. Yeah, I think shell is good enough for now. Actually, this is what I'm thinking right now. I mean, it takes less than a second to search the whole subreddit, so it's not that bad. It could be faster, and I think I'm going to tackle this issue maybe during the next season. Oh, cool. Maybe I should try it. Thank you for the suggestion. I saw it. I saw the link to blog on Reddit, but I didn't bother to read about it. But it seems like it's a pretty cool blocker. What the hell? What? Hey, whoa. Okay. So I think I'm going to open the plan file. Anyway, I think I'm going to declare indexing. Oh, okay, indexing. Maybe I need to do some stop word elimination right now. Searching good, but sounds slow. Okay, I'm going to make it done slow, make it faster in season 3. So, snippets. I still need to check if it's correctly implemented. So, algorithm. I don't know. I think I am using an algorithm that's similar to this. Oh, okay, I'm not sure actually. So I'm going to make some tea and figure out what's going on here. I think yeah, this is exactly the algorithm I'm using. Uh, so it basically finds the shortest window that contains all the words of query. Okay, I'm using a similar algorithm because it allows you to contain only some of the words. Okay. Uh, I think I need something really simple. So here is the algorithm. I'm not very proud of it because it's kind of. I suspect that it's not very readable, especially this part. Hmm. Hmm. Arbitrarily, arbitrarily large. So the snippets can be very, very long. Uh, Forms. So I'm not sure what's the best algorithm for. Oh. So I have been streaming for 2 hours and a half. I'm not sure what should I do with snippets, because I suspect that there is actually, I think I have a dumb idea. If I want to limit the the length, I simply could cut the part in the middle. Not sure if this makes sense, but I could. So I generate a large word matches, and just I simply cut out some parts in the middle. I disregard that if for matches whatsoever. So, and you had cutting out that part. So there always will be some matches, but I may cut out relevant matches. That kind of sucks, but I mean, what can I do? It's not like Google highlights every single word in document. So I think it makes sense if document, if not every match is highlighted. So let's go with a very simple method. So if let's say the limit of snippets will be 150, and so I think I'm using kinda hackish way to generate the snippet, but whatever. Let's see if it works. Hmm. Well, hmm. Um, this snippet is that words are too big. No, let's make it. Hmm. Yeah, I think it works now. There are these dots. Looks like Google's snippets are really short. Maybe I should, make it 40. Let's see. So, some snippets are really long, but I suspect this is because I, I don't split documents into words properly. So, for example, this is one word. Hmm. Sort of works. So now I need to decide what to do with these snippets. You should probably try putting uh, forward slash before your ASCII art. Oh damn it, and of course I need to replace it. here. So this is I should made 50 and name it constant like in the first place. So that's why I had this bug with the snippets and they kept remaining large. I think I'm happy with the current snippets. Yeah, I guess I'm going to remove the debug output. Okay, I'm removing this. Okay, so my main my main concern about snippets was length. So they're still bad, but they're here. So I'm going to declare them as done. Obviously, I need a better algorithm for generating them. Um, so ranking is, let's call it done. Let's say ranking is done beyond 25 implementation. Hi, I'm back. So I'm fairly close to completing all of my goals for the season two. Um, so the search engine is functional and it almost works. I mean, it works. It's somewhat slow for multi-turn queries, but that's okay. Uh, uh, for now, I mean, 2/3 of a second is somewhat slow, but it could be faster. But I'm not going to focus on this right now. Maybe during the season three, I will do something about it, but I'm not sure. Um, so what should I do now? I probably need to update the web interface. Hmm, because I don't want to see this kind of weird pagination. Uh, actually, mm, I think I can take the render pagination macro from here and to put it um, into templates directory. Um, okay, then I'm going to update the search results HTML. Oh, damn it! I need to. It's not that simple. Mm. Okay, I can't use this macros. So I guess I need to do it manually. I need to. So first I'm going to add this nice. Okay, no more macros. So I'm going to add these nice arrows, like here. Hmm. So actually, maybe I could adapt this macro. It's not terribly complicated. Um, okay, so I'm going to refactor this code to return by pagination object. So let's call this class. And let's make this macro work. So first of all, we need pages attribute. Let's come equals to page So let's create this object and then let's hold all the stuff equals so number of pages is equal to doc num divided by page size plus 1. And next we need, so we have pages attribute, and to make this macro work we also need user pages. And to implement the pages, what should we do? So So let's code it. Let's write a bunch of ifs. If there is only one page, let's return just one. If there is so actually, I think there might be a general way to code this. Basically, what I want to return is something like this. 1, 2, let's say 1. Let's say we are on page 10. So I want to return something like this. 1 known which means so I want to return something like this. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on until, I don't know, page. Actually, yeah, let's return something like this. So that means that, and maybe last page. Okay, well, let's return last page too. So that means that I need to return something like this. 1 known and now I need hi again. So I'm now implementing pagination because this is insane. Like there are 1,500 of pages, and well, the pagination looks insane. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to deal with it. So I want to skip some of the pages, and right now I'm not sure how should I implement this. Okay, is this okay? I'm going to watch this. That's pretty cool. I know you didn't suggest this, but I'm going to watch these videos. But after I complete the stream, so I need a way to code this. Okay, I'm not sure if there is a general algorithm, so I'm going to code this and then I'm going to refactor it if necessary. So Why not use range? Use range for what? I'm not sure. I mean, I need to. I don't want to see all of this, and I need to skip some of them. So I'm going to code some algorithm. Well, I want it to look like to always have the first page here. Uh, if right part -1. So if the last element of right part is equals to right part, if result +1, um, let's just self page. Result -1. Okay. So to make this macro work, I need URL for other page. So I'm simply going to copy this and Now I think this macro should work. Let's test it. Oops. So let's import this macro. Actually, let's return this. Let's restore this function. Then pagination equals pagination, and then here we need to render pagination. Oops. I think that's it. Let's test it. Type error. Oh, of course I don't need to pass self here. So integer pages takes no arguments. Of course I need to pass self here. I always forget to do this. Why? Oh, okay, that's easy to fix. Okay. Request is undefined. Okay, I guess I can fix it like this. Okay, this is weird. Oh, of course, yes. Okay, so it now shows nice pagination. Let's test it. It is no longer insane. Wow, this is weird. Um, so okay, I guess the fix is simple. Fine. Oh, damn it. Hmm. Okay, I guess it works. So that's why I couldn't use a simple method, because I wanted to have, these things. There's three dots and these three dots, and I also wanted to have sort of the link to the first page. We can message you from the terminal if your chat gets stuck. Yeah, actually, maybe we could have some system. Although you could probably request, yeah, make these requests. So 5, 6, 7. So I like it. It works. I also could show like the last page, but I think that what it's some ASCII art, I suspect. So now there is a nice pagination, and I guess I could restart this code. So really, internal server error. Let me check it. Hmm. I don't see an internal server error here. If you could provide a request, could you please provide the request that causes internal server error? Because I can't see it. Maybe it's here, but here there is only 400. Python, C++, Linux. So I have nice pagination, and I'm going to work on the UI for a little bit. So I want to redesign the main page. And I want to make a better form. To do this, I need to let's test it. Horizontal inline. Maybe it's inline. Okay, it's kind of cool. What? How to change horizontal columns? Actually, I'm going to leave it as normal basic form for now. Yeah, this looks better. Probably I need to add now there is a new user agent. Okay. Let's see. So I think this is how I'm going to title. There is a source button, source field. There is. Okay, okay, maybe let's rename this as user request. Let's remove data. Okay, so let's take a look at the plan. Basically, actually, I'm going to consider it done because indexing works now. So I need to check BM25 implementation, but I think I'm going to do this offline. So I think this is going to be the end of season 2, and I'm going to start season 3 soon. So to summarize, I actually managed to build the search engine. It's reasonably fast. It could be faster, and making it fast is going to be one of my goals for season 3. In season 3, I'm going to start trying to beat Redis search engine. I think it might be possible, although I'm not sure where. I need to better understand what people want to search. So yeah. So there is crawling. They're just done using Reddit API. There is indexing, which could be better, but again, it's fairly good. Searching definitely could be faster, and ranking could definitely be better. And I'm going to continue working on ranking in season 3, which will be my primary focus. Snippets are completed. There is some limit for their length, and well, the algorithm again could be better, but it works. Then there are two ranking options. It turned out that BM25 isn't good for Reddit. For Reddit, so I need some better ranking function. And web interface is minimalistic, but I think it's okay. What else? So I'm not sure when the season 2. Well, I mean the season 2 is ending now, and the season 3 may start. I think maybe it will start today. I'm not sure. I probably won't stream today, but it's very likely that I will start the season 3 somewhere this week. So yeah. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in. Do not do spacing with BR. You have CSS for that. Yeah, you're right. I'm doing this using BR because I'm CSS noob. I have no idea how to do spacing. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to end the stream in 5 minutes because there is always some lag, and I want you to, well, to make suggestions and send me your ideas in chat. So I'm going to wait for 5 more minutes and then end the stream. Although maybe there will be some discussion. But like I mentioned, I think I achieved my first, sort of the goal for the season 2. It turned out that BM25 isn't a good, like I expected it to be better, but well, it's not suitable for it. Anyway, I'm going to start season 3 somewhere this week. So let's wait for questions or suggestions. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm a CSS noob. I have no idea how to do proper spacing. And I always run into issues with Bootstrap because somehow I don't know, I'm just noob. I think more people that familiar with CSS could deal with the Bootstrap easily, but sometimes I have weird issues with it. So I tend to not to mess with CSS a lot. It's always pretty much the default Bootstrap. Wow. What does the app need as a requirement? All requirements are txt file. So here is requirements txt, and here are all the dependencies. If you want to contribute, so you could create virtual env like this, then do source when being activate, and after that you can install all the requirements using pip like this. As for what needs to be done with CSS, Gergberg, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. So he suggested that I could should use CSS and like add padding instead of using BR here. So instead of making two empty lines, I should use CSS features. But unfortunately, I'm a CSS noob. Okay. Yeah, here's my profile. If you need my Git profile, here is it. Here is source in Reddit. Yeah, actually, that's right. A couple of, I think a few days ago, I watched a stream and a person was making a CSS, an Invaders clone, a Space Invaders clone, using just CSS. This was amazing. So he was using like really, he was using CSS features in a really cool way. So he made a game using just HTML and CSS. This was incredible. Unfortunately, I can't do this. I'm just CSS noob, and I'm a noob in JavaScript too. But JavaScript is at least similar to Python, and at least I understand it a little bit better than CSS. Oh. So, I think I have been streaming for like 5 or 6 hours. Yeah, that's what I typically do. Sometimes I need to change CSS a bit. Like I mentioned, I try to stick with default Bootstrap, but sometimes I need some CSS. So I just go on Stack Overflow and copy and paste some CSS. Okay, I'm pretty tired, and I'm going to end this video. I'm going to end this stream now. Um, although there are some discussion, maybe I should wait. I mean, if so, okay, click everyone, add each other on G+. Okay, can add you on G+, although I rarely use it. Oh, I'm already in your circle. Okay, have no idea how to use G+, but I added all of you. So, I'm restricted from following you. What the hell? You shouldn't be restricted. Okay. So, I hope you were able to follow me. Anyway, if you still restricted, so just message me. Oh, okay, yeah. I don't use G Plus either, but sometimes people add me there, so I follow them back. Maybe I should start using it one day. I mean, there are some people who follow me. Maybe I can figure out how to use it. So there is some stuff there. Okay, so thank you for watching. So this is the end of season 2. It's very likely that I will start season 3 very soon. Probably somewhere this week. Thank you for watching and bye. By the way, I think that the chat will be available as long as you not refresh this page. If you want to have conversation here, don't refresh the page. So, bye.